Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to stay fit at home, improve your cardio, or just walk while you work, you've come to the right place. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best treadmills for 2026. I'll break down each treadmill's features, pros, cons, and who it's best for, so you can decide which one fits your home or office setup perfectly. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Ecogou Walking Pad with Handlebar and Incline. 3-in-1 treadmill, walking, jogging, and hiking mode. 2.5 horsepower motor with low noise operation. Adjustable incline, LED display, and remote control. This treadmill is perfect for small spaces in home offices. The handlebar gives extra stability, which is great if you're walking while reading or working. The hiking mode is unique, adding more intensity than a standard walking treadmill. I love how quiet it is. You can even watch TV or have a conference call while walking. Pros: very quiet operation, multiple modes for walking and hiking, compact and portable. Cons: the running surface is smaller than larger treadmills. Incline adjustment is a bit limited. If you're someone who wants a treadmill under your desk or just for light exercise at home, this is one of the most convenient options on the market. Number 2, 4-in-1 walking pad with 10% incline. Foldable under-desk treadmill, 2.5 horsepower motor, quiet operation, 300 pounds weight capacity, 10% incline. This treadmill is incredibly versatile. The 10% incline allows for more challenging workouts compared to standard walking pads, and the quiet motor makes it ideal for work-from-home setups. The foldable design is perfect for apartments or offices with limited space. Pros: high incline for challenging workouts, sturdy design supports heavier users, compact, portable, and foldable. Cons: limited top speed for serious runners, remote control can sometimes lag. If you want something that works for walking and mild jogging but still fits under a desk, this one is an excellent choice. Number 3, foldable treadmill with extra large dual LED screen. Max speed 8.5 miles per hour, 3 horsepower motor, supports running, jogging, walking, Bluetooth speaker, and dual LED display. 280 pounds capacity. This treadmill is more of a full home gym solution. The dual LED screen is great for tracking your stats at a glance, and the Bluetooth speaker makes workouts more enjoyable. It's sturdy enough for both jogging and light running, which makes it versatile for anyone serious about fitness. Pros: higher speed workouts possible, built-in speaker for entertainment, large display for easy tracking. Cons: heavier, so less portable, assembly takes time. If you want something that feels more like a traditional treadmill but still folds for home use, this is a solid pick. Number 4, walking treadmill pad with removable handle. 8% incline treadmill with app and remote control, 270 pounds capacity, LED display, and removable handle. The removable handle gives you the best of both worlds: stability when you need it, sleek design when you don't. The app integration helps you track workouts, calories burned, and distance. It's very quiet, so you can use it anytime without disturbing others. Pros: smart app integration, removable handle for flexibility, quiet operation. Cons: max speed may be low for runners, slightly smaller weight capacity. This treadmill is perfect for light walking and general fitness at home. Its smart features make it a modern, tech-friendly choice. Number 5, Sunny Health and Fitness One-Click Fold 20-inch Smart Treadmill. Fully assembled treadmill, auto incline and SunnyFit app, compact foldable design. This is the easiest treadmill to start using right away because it comes fully assembled. The auto incline is convenient for changing intensity without stopping, and the SunnyFit app keeps track of your progress automatically. Pros: easy setup and use, auto incline for varied workouts, app integration for tracking. Cons: slightly narrower running belt, not ideal for high-speed running. If you want a smart, ready-to-go treadmill for walking or light jogging at home, this is a great pick. So there you have it. The top 5 best treadmills for 2026. Whether you're looking for something compact and quiet for your home office or a treadmill with higher speed and full home gym features, there's something here for everyone. Personally, if you want portability and quiet operation, the Ecogou walking pad or the 4-in-1 walking pad are excellent. If you want more speed and features, the foldable treadmill with dual LED screen is a solid choice. All the links are in the description, so check them out and pick the one that fits your space and fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.